Ano aton day or ano aton nang, it means that what would you like to buy, ma'am? Ano aton day? Ano aton nang? Tagpila ini, how much is this? Tagpila ini, tagpila ang isa ka kilo. How much is a kilo? Isa is 1. So tagpila is how much. So tagpila ang isa ka kilo, or you can say tagpila ang duha ka kilo. You just change isa to any, like the number or the amount or the weight of the thing that you are buying. So tagpila ang isa ka kilo. Mahal man or tama gid ka mahal. When we say mahal, that means expensive. It's too expensive. Mahal man, tama gid ka mahal. Wala na sing ayo. Is there a discount? Or can you give me a discount? Wala na sing ayo. Or you can also say, pwede makaayo. I think that's more polite. It's nicer in a way. Pwede makaayo. Wala na sing ayo. Or pwede makaayo. Barato na ini. This is cheap. When we say barato, that's cheap. And then ini is this. So barato na ini. Tagpila ang gusto ninyo? How much do you want? Like the price? Tagpila ang gusto ninyo? Pwede ang pesos. So can you give it for a peso or maybe 10 pesos? There's nothing that you can buy for 1 peso, I guess, like if you go to the market, like vegetables or something. So, pwede ang, let's say, 50 pesos or 20 pesos. You can have that as well. Tagai ako sang isa ka kilo nga patatas. Give me a kilo of potatoes. Tagai means to give. And then isa ka kilo is 1 kilo. So, you can just change patatas to anything that you would want to buy. And then the isa to the weight of the vegetable or anything that you would want to buy. So tagai ako sang isa ka kilo nga patatas. Ari ang bayad ko. Here is my payment. Ari is here. And then a bayad is a payment. Ko is my. So ari ang bayad ko. Ari ang cambio or sinsilyo mo. So it means here is your change. So you can say ari ang cambio mo or ari ang sinsilyo mo. So it's either of the two. Next one is may ara pa, or you can also say may ara pa bala. Is there anything else or are there some more? May ara pa, may ara pa bala. Sige na. That means come on, or it's an expression used to persuade the vendor to meet your terms. Sige na. Sige na. Suki is like a regular customer. So it refers to the person who visits like a store all the time. Like whenever he or she goes to the market to buy something, he or she always goes to that particular store. It can refer to the person buying from the store, or it can also refer to the store. So that's a suki.